It is time to play What's in the Box. Well, actually, there's nothing in the box. I already opened the box. Contents are over here. Some car parts. This is a taillight overlay from Mancini Racing. Seem to be local. Semi-local. Those. So I got this from Mancini Racing, and there they are, the original Mopar direct connection. Yeah, so they've got long history of Mopar parts. That's where I got this. And let's see how it looks. Fix the ends. A little shadow there, but that's how it's going to look. It's all double-sided tape already laid out on the inside. This piece here, put in some at least 3N adhesion promoter. All right, so well, it's kind of night and cold right now, so we're gonna have to try and put this on tomorrow in the daytime. See you then. So today is another day, and here we have the back of the Challenger. Part fits like this, and we'll get a little test fit going on here. So that's about how that's going to fit. Not a perfect fit, like many of the reviews said. But all the reviews said this was going to be plastic, and it's not just straight plastic, it's fiberglass. Still, it looks like it'll fit pretty good once we get it glued into place. Maybe. Guess we're going to find out. Here we have the center section. That's going to fit on here. Am I holding it upside down? No. That's going to fit like this. Get it in the right place. But here's where we run into an issue. Right in there, and right over there, you see the letters. The Dodge letters. Not only that, but they're holding this piece away from where it mounts to. So we're gonna have to remove those. we go, freshly debadged. I'm still a little dirty here, so I'm gonna have to wash this off before I do anything further. Now that's washed and dried, we're gonna have to hit it up with this stuff. It's a 3M automotive adhesion promoter. We're gonna have to rub down all our edges. Let's do that. It'll just basically work as a first coat. Since it's so cold out here, I'm going to heat this up a little bit, make it stick a little bit better. You can see how the tape is lined inside here. So if there was ever any doubt that this stuff was going to stick, you just saw the proof. Now I'm going to try and get it lined up correctly. Yeah, so there you have this finished product. Obviously these little holes were the backup lights. That's what's behind there. But those letters were holding the whole thing forward, so that's why they had to go. But yeah, there you go. Challenger Daytona taillight overlays installed. Caps don't look too bad now, and I'm eventually going to put a little badge right there, but those have got to come from China. Alright, so it's starting to snow, as you might be able to see. So what do you say, get a cold start going for the boys? Hasn't been started for a while, that's why it struggled a bit. Battery's a bit low. I hadn't had it on the charger. Gonna have to do something about up here too. I don't think I can stand that curl much longer. Now we have a new addition to the garage fridge. Add to the other stickers. And yeah, who else is rolling an original Too Fast, Too Furious poster? So that's gonna be it for today. Just a quick little install because it's winter and snowing and it's terrible. So yeah, that's gonna be it. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and hopefully I'll have more videos in the future. Not always gonna be about cars, about other stuff too, like rocks and metal detecting and lots of other stuff. So stick around.